My name's Sandra and I'm the coordinator of the walking programs with Blind Sports Victoria. Blind Sports Victoria encourage people who are blind or vision impaired to get involved with sporting. We got some funding from Parks Victoria, so the idea was to have group walks, and as part of that we decided to run a camp down at Wilsons Prom.
This came about as a result of us thinking of how we can actually further engage people who are blind or vision impaired, or getting them involved in parks. So a number of people who are blind, vision impaired may live on their own, and they don't have a person who can see to actually take them to a park by transport, help them orientate around the park.
To lose your sight, well, at first it was so traumatic, and I kept on saying, why did it have to happen to me? I became very depressed and I wanted to give up, but fortunately with the help of Lola, to move, became more mobile, and got to know more about Melbourne than when I had my eyes.
Well, we're in a lodge for 12 people, and the accommodation is absolutely perfect. We've been climbing mountains and taking the arm of someone else and sliding down the other side. I've been to beaches, walking on beaches. We've had wombats up, backed off there. I think that wombat wanted to come into the lodge with us.
Our sighted guides have been describing the scenery as we walk along, the trees and the undergrowth, the ferns and things, and anything that we can touch. They've been letting us sort of feel the various leaves and the ferns and hollow trees particularly.
Sandy, the coordinator, actually came up with the whole plan of the program, and we looked at how we could assist them through interpretive talks and also some sensory trails that they might find enjoyable.
The smells are wonderful. I mean, even going along, and the smell is always changing. You're more aware. I think your senses are actually, and even your sense of touch, and I find I feel with my feet a lot.
The birds, the sounds of the stream, close to nature. So it is so natural, everything. Some places is so quiet and really serene.
Anyone that had any disability, give it a go. If you're blind and vision impaired, you can start slow and build up. And it's just great to be out in the country, getting together, having fun, and give it a go, because really and truly you couldn't get anything better than being down here. I'd like to stay for a week.
So it's much more interesting than walking around the streets at home, I tell you.